Hey guys, welcome back to another Goodwill haul video. As you can see, I'm wearing the same shirt. It's because we went to 2 Goodwills in a day, so I'm doing these haul videos back to back, and I lost the footage after I filmed it, so this is the second time. I lost 2 videos just recently. They got corrupted somehow. The camera was acting up and I thought something was weird, but hey, I get to do it again. First thing we found, Michelob Ultra Large Polo. Pretty cool shirt. Got a little tag on the side that says lead the way with the number 1. Picked this up for $2 or something. Everything was 50% off, like I said in the previous one, because they were doing a back to school sale. Next, my daughter found this and she paid with it with her own money. She wants me to try to sell it. It's a Puma hooded sweatshirt, pullover kind of, size, women's size, small. It's like a teal and a gray. Pretty nice actually. She looked it up and everything, so she wants me to sell it. That's the hood. Looks really nice. So you'll see that up on the eBay store. Next, we found some DVDs. Jillian Michaels. I thought this one sold for more. It doesn't. This one might just get redonated. Next up was Baby, Your Baby Can Read. DVDs 1, 2, and 3. One of them does better than the others. I'm probably going to lot them up. I could probably get about $10 plus shipping for all 3 is a lot. We only paid probably 50 cents or less for these since it was 50% off, so I was happy with that. Next thing up was this One Plan by Guardian. It's a furniture, I'm not sure if this is a furniture cleaner or what. It doesn't say, but I've sold these in the past. I've sold the furniture cleaners and polishes and whatnot, and these do really well, especially when they're sealed. I think the last ones I had weren't sealed and they still sold really well. So picked this up. I think it was $2.99 or something, so probably looking at 10 to 20 bucks plus shipping. Next thing up, which was really cool, was this. It's a Sony Discman D66, still in the box. When I opened it up originally, I didn't think it was ever used, but you could tell by the bottom of the CD player that it was used. Still has all the paperwork, still has the charger, still even has headphones in there that don't look like they were even used. Picked this up. I think we paid, they had paid $6 for this. I think it's probably going to go anywhere from 30 and up. That was a really good haul from this Goodwill. Again, it was one of those stops we didn't even think was going to happen, and it did. And we found some good stuff, and it was one of those stops too where even in the past it hasn't been that good at these ones, but they're trying to change up their system a little bit, and I think it's way better. And I was talking to one of the employees about that, and they said they've been getting a lot of better reviews based on the store. So that's all we have for you today, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Also, check out our lives Saturday nights, Monday nights. We usually have some other resellers on there, ask questions, and you can learn. And we learn from you guys too in the chat. It's always cool to see new faces or new names in the chat. And it's just nice to get to know people who actually watch our videos. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.